Hi everyone. I'm going to show you how to make these objects using one line. So I used this line and I made this shape and this other shape. So first I will show this and then we'll try to make different shapes, more shapes, okay? And we are using this new tool in Tinkercad. And let's go see. So yeah, this is the new tool. It's called Revolve Sketch. Let's see how to use this. So first we need to drag and drop it to our work plane. Then we will get this screen. And here we can draw the line. I'm using this straight line. You can click once, twice, and a third time. And then you can finish here. To finish, you can go click this button on top where it says Finish Sketch. So click this and then you will see the 3D view. This is how it looks. So this one is similar to this shape. But what if I want to show you like this line and make this shape? If we go open this, the sliders, and we play with it a little bit, we will see what each one does. Let's go use this one. So this one, where we have like 0.1, we will see the line. And the edges of the line, if you want to change them and make them rounder, you can go inside. Like you can click here, edit sketch. And if you click the line, you will get this option here, stroke settings. Stroke settings, let's see. Oh yeah, this makes it wider. And this one, like we can make it as thick as we want. But also we can round the edges. So this will give you, if you click this one, it will give you the options to choose flat, square, or round. Let's make it thicker. So this one is the square one. This one is the flat one, and this one is the round one. And you can say finish sketch. I just wanted you to see that how this revolve thing works. Let me make it a little bit thicker. So basically Revolve uses our line and then revolves it around another line. But how to make this? Make sure you select this one and duplicate and use the arrow keys to move. And then rotate it a little bit. We want these two, we want them to be touching here in this point. And then we can just keep doing the same thing. Clicking this button, it's duplicate and repeat. And it will make a shape like this. Also, you can select everything and make it a group. Yeah, you can select everything and make it a group. So now I'm gonna duplicate this. This is very fun. You can do the same thing as well. So draw a line and make your shape. Then you can duplicate the shape and see what else you can do with it. I have made this transparent, but I can turn off the transparency. Now we can see it better. Now let's change the sides. We can start from 3 and see what shape we can make. So if we have 3 sides, we will have this. And I'm going to duplicate and repeat and make the sides a different number. See how like our shape changes. And also you can go inside any of these shapes and then edit sketch. And here you can just double click on the line and change any of the points that you see here. So I'm clicking on the point and then I can make it smooth. And then if I go back and see, like now my line is smooth a little bit here, and it has made a little bit of curve here. So just experiment with it and see what shapes you can make. I'm gonna go inside of this one. I duplicated it and now I will change this a little bit. And here we have a lot of shapes. It's kind of annoying. If you want to hide any of the shapes that you're making, just select them and click this icon here. So this one, the light bulb hides things. To bring them back, you have to click this one. Let's select these two and hide them. I wanted to see this shape. So now, let's see what we can do. What if we add another point? So first we select our line and then we click this one, modify selected shape. And with plus and minus, we can click on any part of the outline. It will give us new points. And then see, I can click as many times as I want, and then it will give me points, and then I can grab the points and move them around. See how it's changing the shape in the top right. So keep playing with it and see how you can reshape your object in 3D. And then this one, if you select, you can make it a little bit rounder. Also, you can break the handles. Look at this. Now, two sides of the line move separately. They are not connected. Let's go see how this object looks. It looks kind of interesting. So it's pretty fun. Just keep experimenting with this new tool and see what you can make. And if you're enjoying the tutorial, subscribe and I will send more videos. See you next time.